So this is about the difference between the fire alarms, smoke alarms, and smoke detectors. Fire alarms. Those are a system of sensors that devices that can detect fires through heat, carbon monoxide, and smoke. Fire alarms are designed to be heard by everyone in a building. They can include sirens and lights to alert the hearing impaired. Fire alarms need to be tested monthly and maintained properly. Smoke alarms. A single device that detects smoke in the air and sounds an alarm. Smoke alarms are usually found in smaller rooms. There are three types of. They're usually found in smaller homes. There are three types of smoke alarms: ionization, photoelectric, and dual detectors. Smoke alarms should be tested monthly, and their batteries should be replaced twice a year. Smoke detectors. Smoke detectors are devices that work with a fire alarm system to trigger an alarm in the system whenever smoke is detected. Whenever someone mentions one of these devices, they're most likely referring to something like the System Sensor i3 Simplest True Alarm or something like an EST smoke detector. Whenever smoke enters one of these, the light on the device goes solid to indicate an alarm condition, and the signal gets sent to the fire alarm control panel, which then activates the building's fire alarm system. And the smoke detector itself does not make sound, which is a way to tell it apart from a smoke alarm that you find in a house. Now that's an example of what a fire alarm looks like as a footprint special light closet. Example of what a smoke alarm looks like that you find in a house. And that's an example of the smoke detector that was in a fire alarm system. So I hope that helps you guys have a better understanding of the difference between these three devices and how to tell a smoke alarm apart from a smoke detector. Anyway, thank you for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you all next time.